In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove emergency contacts from your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Health and there hit on your profile picture. Now, there hit on your medical ID and there you can hit on Edit and scroll down for a bit. Now here at emergency contacts you can add new contact if you want. Just hit on plus icon and use search to find some specific person. Then select relationship. And now you got two emergency contacts, and if you wish to delete some of that contacts or both of them, all you have to do is just hit on that minus sign and there hit on delete, and when you finish just hit done. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.